Alright guys, good evening and welcome to RC Crazy. In this episode we're going to be reviewing the Traxxas Latrax. While Woody texted me on Facebook and said he found one for me, so I picked it up and we're going to go give it a test spin. Let's check it out and see what happens. So stay tuned for this episode of RC Crazy. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Let's turn it on. Yep, it's on. Okay, ready for this?
Yes.
Oh yeah. This thing is 4-wheel drive.
Whoa! That went up the ramp!
Uh-oh. What is going on here?
It's in the grass.
Alright guys, so a couple weeks ago Wild Woody brought it to my attention that he found this cool little truck on Facebook, the yard sales on Facebook, and they're asking $60 for it, so we went ahead and grabbed it. Now, what's up with this is I got to try it out for a few minutes, but then the steering went on it. There's no steering, so I'm guessing the servo went it. But anyways, the cool thing about this is what it came with. It came with this cover, new cover, and stickers. So I couldn't pass it up for $60, and also it came with two extra servos, steering servos. One's supposedly new and one isn't. So we're gonna take this apart and we're gonna fix it. So hopefully we'll get the steering back. That's a nice little truck. It drives really fast, and I got to try it for a few minutes before the steering went. Okay, so here we go. Okay, got it. That was a pain. Gotta take these screws off. These are what hold it down. Alright, so gotta unplug this. And it only goes in, oops, wrong one, one way. And put this back. Okay. Screw this back down. That's cool. What? Do it again. Right?
Right? No.
Oh, something's up. Do it. Right?
Just the motor working to turn.
What? No. Turn it right. Okay. Sweet. There it is, guys.
And your
We-
trim is right in the middle.
We replaced it. Now let's go take it outdoors. Alright guys, now that I've got the servo fixed in this, you know how Mrs. RC is, she's competitive. She wants to see if my little car is faster than her tornado. So we're gonna test this Latrax from Traxxas. I just fixed the servo on it. And we're gonna do a drag race. I got the camera set up on the ground. And we're gonna do a drag race. I got the camera set up on the ground. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, go. Hopefully she doesn't cheat this time. And we're gonna see how fast they go. Ready, on? This thing is a beast.
Are you flinging stones at me?
All right, ready, on? Come on. On your mark. Get set. Go. Oh, I still beat you and I went in the grass. Let's try it again, hon.
It's not fair. You know when you're going to say go.
Well, then you say go. So well, then you say go. It's going through. No, I'm trying to trim it out. It's steering to the right. Then mark, you say go. You ready?
One, 2, 3, go.
Mine is keeping right up with you, hon. Oh. Mine is keeping right up with you, hon. I'm giving you a run for your money. This little dinky thing, hon, is fast. You just tripped over me. Look at that, look at. Man, this thing is fast. Holy cow. This thing is, I love it. This thing is giving you a run for your money, hon. Look at that.